welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the stunning 2024 Bentley Flying Spur, a luxury sedan that perfectly combines breathtaking performance, handcrafted craftsmanship, and world-class comfort. From the very first glance, the Flying Spur makes a powerful impression. The signature chrome matrix grille, the iconic flying bee hood ornament, and the crystal-cut LED matrix headlights give this luxury sedan an elegant yet commanding presence. Every curve and body line has been carefully designed to reflect Bentley's timeless style and attention to detail. Under the hood, the 2024 Bentley Flying Spur is powered by a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 542 horsepower and 770 newton-meters of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, it accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds and reaches a top speed of 198 miles per hour, delivering effortless power and refined performance. Step inside, and you'll discover one of the most luxurious interiors in the automotive world. The cabin features handcrafted leather upholstery, genuine wood veneers, polished metal accents, diamond-quilted seats, and a rotating center display that transforms between a touchscreen, elegant analog dials, and a clean wood panel. Every detail showcases Bentley's exceptional craftsmanship. Comfort is just as impressive as performance. The Flying Spur offers spacious seating for both front and rear passengers, advanced climate control, ambient lighting, massage seats, and one of the quietest cabins in its class, making every journey relaxing and enjoyable. Technology is another highlight. The car comes equipped with a fully digital instrument cluster, a premium infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, a high-end audio system, a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and many other advanced driver assistance features. Whether you're cruising through the city or enjoying a long highway drive, the 2024 Bentley Flying Spur delivers an unmatched combination of luxury, comfort, speed, and prestige. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.